Hey guys, this is iPhone XR. Brought in for not charging. Plugged in, no response from phone. Check charger with another phone and it's charging normally. Checked with the other phone, faulty one. It's not charging. The charger is working, but try powering on the device. The device is on using the power button. And the device is on normally. And let's try charging it again. Nothing. Plugged in charger, nothing. Let's open the device. Remove battery connector. Remove the screen connectors. The front flex, front speaker. Remove the connectors. Unscrew the screws. Unscrewing more screws. Yeah. So this is after diagnosis. To know what to do, we are bringing out the motherboard to confirm the issue before we continue with the repair. The motherboard is out. Let's put aside the casing and the screen. This is the motherboard. Checking more to confirm the issue, which are power supply. Testing completed. Putting the board on a board holder. Board is in place. Heating up the shield. Removing the dust-proof stickers. Heating up the shield. The faulty IC is under that shield. That is why we are trying to remove the shield. That is from our diagnosis. We confirmed that the fault is from that IC. Shield is out. But still hot. And it's cold. We've removed the IC, you can see. Let's zoom in. You can see the IC is removed. We're cleaning underfill. The glue under the IC, we are cleaning it now. Using a needle and hot air. Cleaning gently and carefully. Try not to overheat the board. It is all about patience. Clean, clean, clean. And this is under the IC after cleaning. Place the IC, put back the shield, and everything is okay. Put back the board. Putting on the screen. And lastly, holding the board in place with one screw at least. Lastly, the battery connector. Let's test again the charger. Plugged in. And the phone is on. We have charging. Let's see if we have charging. And yes, we have charging. The phone is charging normally now. This is a success. Thank you for watching.